Hi everyone, welcome to Beautiful Within. So ever since I did my men's drop kit essentials or men's travel kit essentials, I was asked by my subscribers to do a women travel kit essentials. So here I am. This is my current travel kit. Of course, this was a Lady Raga bag of some month. Definitely a very big toiletries kit kind of a thing. This is my skincare kit. I mostly keep my skincare and makeup separately. So the makeup kit video would, I guess, follow this one. I will just keep on taking one of the things and keep showing them to you, what all I keep. This is mostly my skincare as well as my hair care essentials, plus some knickknacks because this is a bigger bag so I can just do so things here. The first thing that I have is a deodorant. This is the Yardley English Daisy. But anything which is a kind of a sample size, which is not too heavy to carry, you can carry it in your skincare. Of course, because I have a lot of subscriptions to subscription boxes, I'm never at a dearth for travel size products. But you can find travel size products at retail stores also. Also, you can find those bottles at Amazon where you can keep your full sized a little bit of your full-sized product also. So that was my deodorant. The second thing that I have is the Vela shampoo. This much of a size is good enough for, let's say, a travel of 15 days. So this is what I currently keep. Then I have my sunscreen. Sunscreens are very, very essential, especially when you're traveling. No matter where, even if you're at home actually, but especially when you're traveling. This is my Lotus sunscreen, which I absolutely love. The fourth thing is a conditioner. Of course, I have shown you the shampoo. So also keep a very small conditioner. At times I need it, at times I don't. Now I do not ever use the hotel shampoo and conditioner unless they are kind of, I know what the brand is. I'm just a little skeptical of using the same. So I carry my own shampoo. Then what I have here is a red clay mask. Now, if you're actually traveling for more than a week or if you're traveling mostly outdoors, you would need a face mask because at least once a week a face mask is essential, which is why I keep this one. You can keep anything. Mostly I'm very brand agnostic when I'm traveling. Whatever I have a sample for, I just keep it. Now makeup is in another pouch, but I keep my makeup remover, which is the Avant thermal water or micellar water, in this. It's almost over, as you can see, a small bottle. So makeup remover I keep in my in my skincare kit. Then the nth thing, I don't remember the count, is the Bee Blunt leave-in cream. This I use as a kind of a conditioning and cum styling cream, and comes in very handy. Definitely a smaller bottle, so easier to carry as well. Then what we have here is my face wash. It is the Garnier face wash. Again, I got, I don't think I got it in a subscription box. I got it free with something else. It's also getting almost empty. So let's see, maybe an empties video is coming soon. Face wash is also extremely necessary because you would eventually need it. Then I keep a hand cream. I also keep a hand cream in my handbag, but one extra in my skincare kit also. This was some hand cream I guess I got in my fab bag. I guess this is milk and honey. I had a papaya one also which I gave away. So this is the one that I'm currently using. Very good hand cream, I must say, very, very moisturizing. Then I have this light moisturizer, Ananda light moisturizer for oily skin. This I keep as a day cream. Let's say if I'm not going outdoors and I need a very light moisturizer. Anyways, I have oily skin, so I use this. And then I have the Ayorma Spa night repair cream, which is the night cream. Always carry night creams, always carry. Then I have a serum, which is the Oxy Glow serum. So I mostly carry either Livon one or I carry this one. A hair serum is essential. You never know when you have to get your hair a little proper, and maybe you have to attend a party or something. So which is why I keep it. Then I have my Soul Tree moisturizer. This is one of my favorite ones. This is the apricot oil and honey cocoa butter moisturizer. Whatever I'm keeping is a very exhaustive list. Maybe you would not like to carry this much in your skincare kit. I like carrying almost everything, though in smaller sizes. But this is a very exhaustive list. I agree to it. So this is the moisturizer that I have. Then there is the lip balm. This is the Body Shop cocoa butter. I've removed the label for some reasons, but this is the Body Shop cocoa butter. Of course, lip balms is essential. We all need it. Then what do we have here? There's a perfume sample. This is Beyonce Pulse. Now I mostly carry samples only when I'm traveling. That is how my samples get emptied. Then there's my comb. I mostly carry a bigger comb. People also carry small travel size comb, but I mostly like carrying bigger combs. Then what do we have? There's another lip balm. I don't know, Maybelline Baby Lips. Maybe there's a colored lip balm, that's why I've kept it. Then there is, yeah, so these are the nail polish remover pads. I mostly carry one nail polish, some kind of a nude polish, which I keep in my makeup bag. But this nail polish remover pads, they keep come very handy. I at times keep some in my purse also. Don't like carrying the liquid nail polish remover. I like carrying that one only. And also the Kumkumadi scrub. So I would actually advise you to keep a face pack, a face scrub and a face wash, these three things for sure, so that you can follow the CTM routine whenever you're traveling as well. Very small scrub, as you can see, very small bottle, very easy to carry. Then I keep my sindoor. I don't know why I've kept it here. I guess it's because it's bigger, but yes, I've kept it here. So then I have a band, a hairband, a hair tie and a clutcher. Very essential, of course, especially when you're traveling, but otherwise as well, very essential. Then I don't have anything else. My toothbrush, toothpaste and everything are anyways I keep separately. I don't keep it here, but I do carry them. Then there's a bindi packet. I always carry a red kind of a bindi packet. Whenever I feel like wearing a bindi, I can. Then there is this small kind of a kit in which I keep certain things in a small mesh bag. I will open the mesh bag and show you what all I have. So there is of course some cotton for removing makeup and other things. Then there is a safety pin. I mostly carry two safety pins. There's a small scissor which is entangled in something. There's a small scissor which I have entangled with a bobby pin. And then this is a bobby pin that I have. Then this is a medicine that I'm currently, a topical treatment for my acne. Then there are some Q-tips, and there is a sharpener, I guess for my kajal sharpener. It's a kajal sharpener which I've kept here. Then there's a tissue and some more Q-tips. So I guess now, yes, there's a toothpaste. I don't know why I've kept it here. And yeah, the bag is empty. So these are my skincare essentials for travel. Do let me know what all you carry in your skincare. If you would like to suggest me something that I should add, though I don't feel I can add anything else in this, but do tell me what you keep in your skincare. But I would really advise you to keep things whichever you use on a daily basis in your skincare kit when you're traveling, because otherwise it becomes very difficult. You cannot find things at all places, or even if you're going to somebody's house, it does not feel nice to ask the host for certain things. So this is my skincare essentials travel kit. I would also have a video on the makeup essentials, so stay tuned for that. Do subscribe for my channel to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, bye.